How's everybody doing? Here we are at a small engine repair shop. Now the guy across the street, now he told me about a year ago he saw somebody come in and out of here, but since then they removed the signage. I would assume it's abandoned. The building is definitely decaying. You can see where it's hurting. I thought, well, let's go take a quick look around the exterior of it and let's go see what we can see. Looks abandoned to me. There'd even need garages back there. It's all chained up. We're not going to try any doors or anything. Especially with that business right across the street. This ain't gonna be a terribly long video. As you can see, it is hurting. Thank you for your being such great customers. Grateful. The sign says closed. Oh yeah, it's abandoned. Yeah, it's abandoned. Probably didn't make enough business through here. This is the building. It's interesting. Look at how old this is. Now these windows have been covered, so we won't be able to look inside. But like I said, I knew it wouldn't be a very long video. It's just kind of a short video of this small engine repair shop. It's definitely closed. It's definitely hurting. You hate seeing things like this. I don't want to see anybody lose their jobs. They probably didn't make enough business here. Maybe, like I said, the lack of business. I don't know. I don't know the story. Maybe he got too old. He couldn't find workers. That's often generally the case. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. If you like what I do, please hit the like button. Please share my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't be afraid to write some comments. What do you think about this old small engine repair shop here in Midland, Texas? Love you guys. I'll definitely catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.